we ask that the honorable sponsor consider the following amendment: that all pertinent line items under unprogrammed appropriations with a total amount of 243,222,549,000 pesos be revised to zero.
As much as we would also like to recognize the point of our distinguished colleague, the Honorable Shell Jokno, to remove unprogrammed appropriations in toto, we are unable to do that because we need to put in funding for foreign-assisted projects under unprogrammed appropriations. The committee rejects the proposed amendment.
For the information of the body, an aye vote sustains the motion to reject the amendment, and the nay vote defeats it. The majority solicits an aye vote.
All those in favor to reject the proposed amendment, say aye.
Aye.
All those against the motion, say nay. The ayes have it, the amendment is lost.